And welcome back to Phys Ed 10. I'm going to walk you through the next unit. I'm assuming that you finished the healthy and active living unit, so we're going to look at the physical literacy. And you look at the picture of these three young kids. That starts at a young age. So physical literacy, the first assignment, movement skills and concepts. So what we're going to ask you to do in the game skills and strategies, you're going to pick a sport. You're going to identify some movement skills, some movement concepts, and then you're going to identify two movement strategies, maybe a pick and roll in basketball, for example, would be an example of one of those strategies, and describe that. Next assignment here, how do I gauge my effort? Fitness principles. You're going to look at fitness principles and create a workout for you. It could be one that you do, or it could be one that is ideal, but maybe I'm injured at the time and unable to do that. But an ideal workout for me, you may do that or you may not. And again, activity hours, 20 of them. Like I said the last time, you can use more than one sheet if you want. Please try and give me some photos, short videos, if you have them, of you being active. Okay, and that's physical literacy.